Thank you for staying with us. You're still watching AKBC for 5 News at 8. Moving on to other stories now. State houses of assembly have been called to ring-fence nutrition budget lines in their appropriation and ensure timely release of approved funds. Chairman House of Representatives Committee on Food Security, Nutrition, Dr. Chike Okafor, stated this in his keynote address at the National Strategic Policy Dialogue held in Uyo. He said the Assembly should also mandate quarterly reporting of ministries, departments, and agencies.
The strategic policy discourse across focal states has a theme: strengthening legislative action for improved nutrition outcome in Nigeria. Dr. Okafor, who spoke on nutrition as a driver of human capital development and economic growth in Nigeria, said currently less than 0.5% of the federal budget goes to nutrition-specific interventions. Therefore, members of the State Assembly should conduct oversight in their constituencies and champion nutrition laws, while the private sector and civil society organizations should partner with government to scale solutions. Welcoming participants to the event on behalf of the Board of Trustees of the Civil Society Scaling Up Nutrition in Nigeria, CS-SUNN, Dr. Mbang Kofe Ada, said they have witnessed encouraging progress in nutrition governance, stronger multi-sectoral coordination, growing political commitment, and increasing recognition that investing in nutrition is one of the smartest investments they can make in the nation's human capital. According to her, policy commitments alone do not improve nutrition outcome, noting that sustainable progress depends on effective implementation, predictable financing, strong institutions, robust legislative oversight, and continuous accountability.
Think of nutrition in Nigeria and food security in Nigeria. It's not just the food that is on our plate. It takes a lot of effort and intentional actions, such as we're having today, for nutrition outcomes to improve and for us to even have that food on the plate. We need the policymakers, we need the experts, we need the statisticians, the people who have the data. Now, when we come together to collaborate, which is what we're doing here today.
Dr. Maria Bisson from the Federal Ministry of Health and Social Welfare, in her presentation, says so far, only 21 states have keyed into the Child's Nutrition Fund CNF, with Nasarawa as the only one state that has released a budget for the CNF 2026. She called for an increase in budgetary allocation to nutrition-specific and sensitive programs, timely release and utilization of nutrition funds, while exploring innovative financing mechanisms and leveraging on private sector partnership.
Several progress by the federal government of Nigeria, both at the federal and state level, malnutrition remains a major public health challenge affecting the most vulnerable.
The Executive Secretary, Civil Society Scaling Up Nutrition in Nigeria, CS-SUNN, Mr. Sunday Okoronko, at the technical session, made presentation on the progress, challenges, and emerging opportunities in combating malnutrition.
But one of the things we did is over time, we kept encouraging for this to become functional and effective. The state themselves need to do what? Fund these meetings themselves. And the truth is, over time, you found states bearing the cost of holding their STSL meeting. In fact, I love Lagos. Can we clap for Lagos? And I'll tell you why.
Goodwill messages were received from the House Committee on Nutrition, Akwa Ibom State, Mr. Moses Hussein, Clerk of the House of Representatives, UNICEF, Algon Chairman, Mr. Mahmoud Jia, and Speaker, Kaduna State House of Assembly.
As its core, this important gathering reflects our shared resolve to strengthen nutrition, governance, promote evidence-based policy making, and forge enduring partnership that will improve maternal and child health outcomes while securing a healthier, more prosperous future for our nation.
And there's been a serious improvement on converting malnutrition in Niger State. I'd like to thank the CS-SUNN, the organizers of this event. They have been very consistent.
This guideline comes
at a critical time when Nigeria is in trying effort to improve nutrition.
I would add the Federal House of Representatives Committee on Nutrition and Food Security have been doing what will be necessary since we came on board.
There are a lot of improvements as far as nutrition issues are concerned in Kaduna State, and part of the achievements include the establishment of nutrition departments, DEX officers, in the multi-sectoral line MDEs.
The high-level dialogue drew speakers and committee chairperson of State House of Assembly for Tudakan, AKBC News.